let's get inside the Decathlon to check kettlebell. I've been in this branch for thrice, I think, and I purchased some items also already. They are here. This is where I bought my roller skate. I'll show you. I think, yeah, it looks like this, but it's white. Hi! Are you ready for summer? Here also. One moment. It's heavy. 6. The pink one, 8 kilograms. See? This is where I bought my dumbbells. See? This one. Yeah. And I also have like this. 2 kilograms. They have 0.5. I think 6 kilograms is the lightest one. This one, 16 kilograms. This one. Oh. Wait, don't fall. Come here. Oh. This one is 12. The heaviest I think is this one, 16. Yeah, this is the blue. 6 kilograms. Let's check the price. Here. 6 kilograms, maybe this one, 93 shekels. Because of the blue. I can't understand this one, but maybe. The pink one, I think, yeah, 119 shekels. That's all, guys, here at Decathlon. I just want to know the price of the kettlebell. So, let's go out. We're done. I also bought from here, but I haven't used it yet. It's just stuck there inside my room. I took the elevator because the escalator there is not working going up, so I'm tempted right now, but maybe next time.